Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing something a little bit different than my normal self-tan review. This week, my husband, who's hiding in the back over here, is going to try to spray tan me for the first time, which I'm super nervous but super excited. So I thought it would be fun to take you guys on the journey with us and see kind of how he does it, see what it ends up looking like. So it's gonna be a fun one. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up before you keep going, and please subscribe to my channel if you love these kinds of videos or really anything to do with self-tanner, makeup, all that fun stuff. Make sure that you're subscribed and not missing out. But if you want to see my husband attempt to spray tan me, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, I'm super excited because this is the first time I'm letting anybody, well no, it's not the first time. I used to get spray tans, like airbrush tans, when I was in high school, and I worked at a tanning salon for a while, but in like the last, let's say 10 years, this is the first time somebody's spray tanning me. I usually do it myself and I trust the way that I do it. So I'm very excited and I'm very nervous, but Sunny, Henny, is gonna be spray tanning me. How are you feeling? Are you excited? Nervous? Good,
I'm excited. Let's do it.
You think you're gonna do a good job?
I know I'm gonna do a good job.
He said, I've painted a car before, I can do this. So we will see how it goes. I have already prepped my skin and everything. I have a bathing suit on, and now all that's left to do is get in there and let him do my tan. So we are going to switch gears and move over into the other room where I do my spray tans on like my friends and stuff, and we're gonna watch him spray me. So let's go. All right guys, I don't want to give you too much of a show, so I'm like hiding my bottom half for a minute, but here is my before. Like you can see how pale I am. I'm at my palest right now. I've got my hairnet on. I put some barrier cream on my hands, and that's all the prep that I'm doing. We're using the Dolce Glow solution, which is freaking amazing. So he is all ready to go. We're gonna get started. You'll probably see a little bit of me in here, but you're gonna see mostly him just doing the actual thing. So let's get started, and then obviously tomorrow I'll show you the after. So take one last look at my pale self. All right, let's go. All right guys, we just finished the spray. Henny, what do you think about how the process was?
Honestly, it was a lot more fun than I thought. The hardest part is like, the spray, you don't really see it on the body on certain angles, so you're kind of just spraying and praying that it's landing on the right spots. But other than that, it was pretty fun. It
was really cool. I'm like, wait, do it this way. Wait, now get here, now get there.
She was annoying. She was really annoying.
And he said I kept moving. So I don't know, maybe I'm not the best spray tan client, but it was so funny doing it. I had a really good time, and I was like, if this turns out good and even, I'm gonna be annoying him constantly to be spray tanning me. So stay tuned. I'll just show you guys like a little tan line Well, you can kind of see it already. But that's just like right after the tan. Like it still needs to develop. I did an express. So I'm gonna keep this on for 3 hours, and then tomorrow morning, or after 3 hours, I'll like water rinse off, and then like tomorrow obviously I'll come back and show you guys once it's developed. But fingers crossed everything looks even, natural, good. I have high hopes. I feel like it's gonna turn out really nice, but we shall see. So I'm going to let this marinate, and then I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, I'm back. It's the next day, and here is my tan. Oh my gosh, I have to start by saying that was so much fun. I feel like that was such a fun activity just to do with Henny, even though I was like driving him crazy with like, I kept moving and then I kept talking and telling him what to do, and he's like, just let me do it, let me do the spray tan. But I had such a blast doing that. It was so entertaining, so funny, just a little thing for us to do together. So I absolutely loved it. I am so pleasantly surprised with how even and how good the tan turned out. I truly, as much as I love Henny, I was sure in my head that it was gonna come out super streaky, because the way he was applying the spray tan, I was like, oh my gosh, it's going to be terrible. So I was so happy when I woke up this morning, or actually I could see like a little bit of something right away after I got out of the tent. But this morning, after everything like developed after showering last night, I was like, yes! Oh, I'm obsessed. So it turned out so good, you guys. I'm gonna stand up for you. I wore shorts on purpose so that you could see my legs. I don't know how well you can see it in the video. Here's my stomach. You can see a tan line too, like look at that. So I got some good color, you guys. I am in love. I'm obsessed. I'm so surprised again at how beautiful it turned out. My hands, I did not wash my hands before my body. I did everything at the same time, and it doesn't even look like I have a spray tan on. It literally looks like this is my tan. This hands down has to be one of the most, if not the most, natural tans that I've ever had. Like as far as like a fake tan goes. I cannot believe it. Like my hands, I feel like that's like the first determiner a lot of the time to see that a tan is fake. Like you could kind of tell on your hands, you could kind of tell on your ankles or feet. It is not happening with this one whatsoever. I think this solution is just freaking amazing. Like Dolce Glow anything is amazing, but the spray tan is like otherworldly, you guys. Like I am just blown away. Like I know I do spray tan other people, so I always see how good it looks on other people. I just haven't tried it on myself. I was always doing it on others to practice because it was just easier for me that way. So actually being able to experience it on myself from someone else doing it is so cool, and it just makes me that much more confident in the product and the technique and everything, because this looks crazy. And again, like I said, it was so fun to have Henny like practice doing it on me. Now I have a feeling whenever I'm not trying a new self tanner, that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. Like I just love how this turned out and how natural it looks, but still got me dark. Like I got really dark, good color from this, but it literally does not look like fake tan at all. It just looks like this is my tan. So I cannot be more obsessed with this if I tried. And I just know that this is going to be my new obsession now that I've tried it. And like I said, only when I'm not trying a new self tanner, because that's still my priority for you guys in my channel. But when I'm not doing that, I'm going to be in that spray tan booth, and Henny is going to be spray tanning me, and he's gonna master it like a pro. So I'm super excited right now, you guys. Like I'm feeling very good. I'm feeling very confident to go into the weekend. I also just realized I'm not wearing my wedding ring, so please ignore. But yes, I'm super happy. It turned out perfect. Henny had a lot of fun doing it. He said 10 out of 10 experience, would do it again as long as I stopped moving so much in the tent. So we had a blast, and that was really cool. I hope you guys enjoyed too. I know this is a little bit different from my regular self-tanner videos, but I just thought it would be a fun little change and activity, get Henny in the video and everything. So yeah, I hope this was a good one. That's all I have for today. Comment, let me know if you guys like how the tan turned out. Let me know if you like seeing Henny on my channel and the animals, of course. Let me know what else you want to see me do on the channel. Give this a huge thumbs up and please subscribe, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.